Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're checking out the best cute fly swatter you can find, the Red Trout Fly Swatter, available in a charming pink 2-pack. If you're tired of pesky flies buzzing around your home or workspace, this simple yet effective tool might just be what you need. Right from the start, what stands out about this fly swatter is its lightweight design paired with a wide mesh surface. It's made to be practical and sturdy, so it won't easily break or get damaged even with regular use. The handles are designed to feel comfortable in your hand, reducing muscle fatigue thanks to an ergonomic balance and weight distribution. This means you can swat those annoying flies without feeling strained. One clever feature of these fly swatters is the hanging hole at the end of the handle. This makes storage super easy. Just hang them on a hook or nail, and they won't clutter your drawers or counters. This also keeps them within easy reach for whenever you need to act fast. These swatters aren't just for indoor use either. Their versatile design makes them suitable for outdoor settings, restaurants, kitchens, and more. Whether it's a backyard barbecue or a kitchen full of flying insects, these fly swatters are ready for the job. Cleaning is a breeze. The surface can simply be rinsed with water to maintain hygiene and keep it looking fresh. No complicated maintenance needed, which is a big plus for a simple household tool. Measuring about 21.6 inches in length and just under 6 inches wide, these fly swatters give you enough reach and a large striking surface to catch flies effectively. Each pack includes 2 pieces, so you'll have a spare or one for multiple rooms. The Red Trout Fly Swatter combines practical design with a cute color option, making it a small but handy addition to your pest control arsenal. If you want a no-fuss, reliable way to keep flies at bay without sacrificing style, this pink 2-pack is definitely worth considering. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest product insights. Thanks for watching.